Welcome to your Health Restoration Foundation course. Let's go through a bit of an introduction of what to expect over the next few lessons and weeks. Well, who's this course for? Well, in many ways, it's for everyone and anyone, in that there's a lot of value to get from the foundational principles and strategies that we'll discuss. But more specifically, what we're specifically good at here at the Functional Health Clinic is helping folks who have a chronic health challenge. The likelihood is you've not just had an acute symptom or just a recent health challenge. It's more likely a few weeks into months, even into years and into decades. And what we've found is that up to this point, there has been no lack of motivation. That's not been the issue. There's been a lot of resources, time, effort, money invested into your health and solving this challenge and experiencing better well-being, better vitality. You may have done a lot of DIY, done it yourself, done a lot of the research, the study, trying lots of different things, be it diets or supplements or this therapy or that, or many other avenues such as a lot of the medical work and having your doctor's appointments and tests and so on.